business simulation game, and it will teach you how to pick the right PQ without breaking a sweat. Every time you open the Glo-Bus decision entries, you'll be faced with the first page, the product design screen. You see, your boss wants you to pick all of the pieces that will be assembled into action capture cameras and UAV drones, but she won't tell you what the quality has to be. This is strange because PQ will really impact sales. What PQ should you shoot for? The answer is to ask your customer. Now, no, you can't literally ask them, but you can test out a bunch of different PQ settings each year throughout the game. How is this to be done? Step 1. Pick a PQ to test. Step 2. Find the best total cost for that PQ. There's another video for that. Step 3. Record your projected earnings per share and image rating for that PQ, and do it again. The table of values you come up with will start to look a lot like this. Sometimes it's really easy to determine what you should do, but more often, Glo-Bus gives you some trade-offs. 2 tips for your selection would be to 1. Try to pick a PQ that other teams are not using, and because image rating only scores in the last 3 rounds of the game, pick more EPS in the early game and choose higher image options late in the game. If you like this content, please like it. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.